Hey y'all, my name is Leahraquel if you are new here, and in today's video I'm showing you guys how I use this new Banish skincare system. Now the Banish skincare system is vegan and organic, which is amazing. You already know if you're using clean products, you're already going to have a better chance at healthier skin. So this system is different because it doesn't come with a face wash. It doesn't come with a toner, but it does come with these really cool tools that I've never used before. So we're gonna be using them today. The system comes with the activated charcoal clay mask, pumpkin enzyme mask, pore smasher, banisher and spot on banisher, Banish oil and vitamin C serum elixir. Banish was started to help people treat acne the healthy way, with non-toxic ingredients and healthy solutions. The Banisher makes micro wounds in skin, triggering skin to heal and repair itself, and build new collagen fibers to reduce the appearance of scars. When the vitamin C serum is applied, it is absorbed deeper into skin because of the microchannels the Banisher just made. The serum contains vitamin C to speed up the collagen and scar fading process and does not contain any harmful ingredients. The products are shipped from the US and they do offer international shipping. If you would like to visit the Banish website, it is linked below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. You can follow me on all my other social media platforms to keep up with me. And without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. First, you're going to want to sterilize your area, so I'm taking some disinfectant wipes and wiping down my desk. And then I'm going to wash my hands, making sure I get all the dirt from under my nails and up my wrists. And I'm going to dry my hands using a clean paper towel to ensure that I'm not wiping any more germs back onto my hands. So the first tool is the pore smasher. So here I am taking the pore smasher out of the box, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to be taking some alcohol and a cotton swab, and I'm going to wipe it down. And I'm wiping it down to make sure there are no germs left on the pore smasher before I put it on my skin. Then putting the pore smasher in the freezer so that I can use it later once it's nice and cold. Now I'm taking the banishers and putting them in this little plastic container full of alcohol so that I can disinfect them. And I love how these come in these like cool packages. It kind of makes me feel like a doctor. So then once I am done letting it sit for at least 5 minutes, I will let it air dry on a paper towel. Now it's time to wash your face. Right above I have some videos linked where I show you guys exactly what cleansers I use. Now my skin is ready for the activated charcoal clay mask, and I'm going to be pouring some in the top and mixing it with the vitamin C serum. You can choose to put this on your T-zone or all over your face, but I decided to put it all over my face, as you can see. And I let that sit for about 10 minutes, then rinsing it off and drying with a paper towel. Right after that, I'm going in with the pumpkin enzyme mask, and this smells so good. It smells like sweet potato pie. Don't taste it like I did because it's nasty, but it smells amazing. When I have combinations of masks like these, like a charcoal or a powder, and then something that's more plant-based, I like to double up. So I'm also going to let this one sit for about 10 minutes. Now I am taking the pore smasher out of the freezer, and I'm going to be rolling it on my skin in preparation for the banisher. The banisher is special designed to get rid of your dark spots. So it has these little pricks on it, and it's going to be pricking my skin, and I'm going to be rolling in an upward position about 5 times and side to side about 5 times. And if you just have a little area that you want to work on in between sessions, you can use the smaller banisher just to work on little spots. Now we're almost done. I'm going to be moisturizing with the Banish oil, just taking a few drops, and I'm going to be patting that onto my skin. Now I'm going to be taking my pore smashers and I'm letting them soak in the alcohol so that they'll be ready to use for my next session. And that is it. I hope that you guys liked this video. It's actually a few days later and I actually do see results from using this Banish skincare system. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.